How to boost your software services development company's lead generation efforts. Lead generation is an essential aspect of any software services development company's growth strategy. Here are some tips to boost your lead generation efforts. Build a strong online presence. Having a strong online presence is crucial to attract potential clients. Make sure your website is up to date and provides clear information about your services. Use search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to ensure your website appears at the top of search engine results. Utilize social media. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook are great tools for lead generation. Use these platforms to share valuable content, engage with potential clients, and build relationships. Offer free trials or demos. Offering free trials or demos is a great way to let potential clients test your software services before committing to a purchase. This also helps build trust and credibility. Attend industry events. Attend industry events, trade shows, and conferences to network with potential clients and showcase your services. Make sure to have a clear and concise elevator pitch ready to impress potential clients. Leverage referrals. Encourage your satisfied clients to refer your services to their contacts. Offer incentives or discounts for referrals to incentivize clients to spread the word about your company. Use targeted advertising. Utilize targeted advertising to reach potential clients who are most likely to be interested in your services. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising can help you reach your target audience effectively. Develop thought leadership content. Create thought leadership content like blog posts, white papers, and case studies that demonstrate your expertise and thought leadership in your industry. This helps build credibility and attracts potential clients to your services. Follow up promptly. Make sure to follow up with potential clients promptly and professionally. Respond to queries and requests for information quickly to show your commitment to excellent customer service. By implementing these strategies, you can boost your software services development company's lead generation efforts and attract potential clients to your services.